Double drop mixing is defined to be when two EDM choruses or drops play together at the same time. What makes this technique cool is how one creatively plays two songs. They can either cross-fade or use their volume faders to let two songs mix with each other at different sections, creating a sort of new remix on the fly. But finding those songs and those sections that actually sound harmonic with each other is the hardest part of this technique, because double drop mixing is very reliant on preparation. Now before we proceed any further, let me just let you know that all the songs used in this tutorial are all available for download down below or right over here, and you can really support this channel by donating and downloading as you go. Anyway, with that said, let's begin. So the first thing you should do is try to find two complementary songs that sound good with each other. So try to find songs that are in the same genre and are around the same BPM and key. And key is the most important factor here. So a technique I like to apply in double drop mixing is key syncing. Activating this feature automatically adjusts the keys of two songs loaded to be complementary or the same with each other. And this really speeds up the process of finding those two special songs that will be perfect for a double drop mix routine. Now the idea of double drop mixing is to have two songs play their drops at the same time. So in order to always get that timing right, I personally always mix during the build-up section. So what I do is create a cue point on both songs 32 beats away from the drop. So if this is where the drop happens, I'll merely beat jump 32 beats backward. So cue point A on the first song is where we want to trigger our cue point A on the second song. This way, we are 100% certain that both drops will happen at the same time. The second step now involves playing the first song, then mixing the second song at the cue point A section and awaiting the drop section. And once you're there, we proceed to step number 3, where you fade back and forth between the first and second song. Now the general rule of double drop mixing is to fade in and out either at the third or fourth beat of a 4-beat interval at varying beat lengths between 1 to 2 beats. So fade in and out at these sections. So once you reach one of those sections in the first song, quickly fade to the other song and play that section for 1 to 2 beats. Then fade back to the first song. Remember that you are not limited to this pattern. Try to mix things up and experiment to find out which sections sound good with each other. Using this trick really brings out your creativity as a DJ and can really make your gig a lot more fun and special. Just make sure to mix your patterns up so your routine won't sound monotonous. But please also do remember that less is more. A proper balance of doing DJ tricks and playing songs are the keys to make a gig successful. But deciding where to implement that is up to you, because you're the DJ and hopefully now you're a better one at that. Hey, you've reached the end of the video, and the question of the day is, what do you usually do when you get bored in a mix? Do you do cool DJ tricks like me, or do you just let the songs play out? Let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll see you all in the next one.